Speak Student!
Molecular genetics. A la Shmoop.
All right, so we're there kind of building the block, and things are passed. So the 23 and 23. Talk to us about heredity. How does that work? And we've created a human being, more or less.
Sure.
Then what happens?
Heredity is the idea that we pass on traits from parents to offspring.
Mm-hmm.
And so the 23 chromosomes from mom and dad combine to form the zygote. So you end up with the zygote, and embryo develops ultimately into the baby. And then every time the cells divide in that embryo, the DNA gets passed down. So the identical DNA gets into every cell. And then even though all the cells are the same, they start turning on different genes, which makes all the cells ultimately end up different.
Got it. Now, when you say zygote, I'm thinking about a bearded sheep-like thing in New Zealand. What is a zygote?
It's basically right when fertilization happens, it's the embryo that's formed. Kind of.
Got it. So it's nothing to do with a goat.
No goats.
Okay.
Although there are zygote goats.
Fair
Two
enough.
goats,
Explain to us the part of science that studies genetics, the epigenetics. Like what is that? What's the goal?
Yeah, so basically the idea that traits are heritable, so we are kind of like our parents. So there's kind of two components to that. One is genetics, so that's the study of DNA and genes and how different pieces of DNA code for different things in our bodies. And then on top of that, kind of a more recent area of study is epigenetics, and epi just means like on top of. So it's the stuff that's sitting on top of the DNA, proteins and molecular tags that can also contribute to traits being passed down.